Meaning of etiology.
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 Etiology. Etiology refers to the study of the causes and origins of diseases. Understanding the etiology of a particular illness is important for developing effective treatments and preventative measures. By identifying the various factors that contribute to a disease, healthcare professionals can develop strategies to reduce its spread and severity. This may involve interventions such as vaccines, lifestyle changes, or medication. Overall, the study of etiology is crucial for improving public health outcomes and reducing the overall burden of disease on society.